So guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type Lenovo ThinkPad P16v. So pcsupport.lenovo.com, this is officially website, so you can download driver. So use this one only, guys. Go to this tab. If you guys showing here different generations, different model number here, so no worry about that. You can enter the your serial number of your motherboard and then hit the enter. Okay, and then show this. And there are two type to install the driver and software. So first is automatic and second manual. In automatic, when you click to scan now, it will scan your system to require driver to fulfill. Okay, and second, this is manual. So you can install the separate part of the separate driver, so you can see audio, BIOS, Bluetooth and fingerprint like that all. Okay, so click to audio. You can see this is audio driver and this is size. Okay, just click to download. It will start. You can see here the one downloading is starting the progress. Then click to setup. Then yes, next, I accept, then next, install, next, install. Then guys, you can see this is installed successfully, audio driver, and then click to OK. Then restart your system, guys. Thank you.